So you have $10,000. According to the Trans-America Center for Retirement Studies, you've successfully doubled the non-retirement savings of the typical American adult. But what next? Should I hide it away in the bank? Should I spend it all? Or should I multiply it? I have your answers. Allow me to show you how to grow your newly struck wealth so that one day you'll look back and laugh at the time when you thought $10,000 was a lot of money. But first, you need to hit that subscribe button to show our channel some love. Now let's dive in. 1. Plan your retirement. No matter the kind of money that you might have at your disposal at the moment, planning your retirement should be number 1 on your bucket list, unless you want to be stuck eating ramen noodles when you're 70. So the first question you need to ask yourself is, how much will I need when I retire? The general rule is 70 to 80% of your pre-retirement income. If you're a big spender, lean towards the 80%. But don't forget healthcare costs and the big ugly inflation. Albert Einstein called compound interest the 8th wonder of the world, and he was onto something. The earlier you start, the more magic it works. Let's say you're 30. If you invest $10,000 now with a conservative 7% return, you'll have around $76,122 by 65. Wait until you're 40, and it drops to $37,931. Yeah, time is money's best friend. Now, when it comes to retirement plans, there are popular choices, the IRA and the 401k. First up is the IRA, or Individual Retirement Account. Most IRAs let you defer taxes, meaning you don't pay taxes on what you put in. You only pay when you take money out. But you can't make early withdrawals before retiring unless you want to pay a penalty. There's also the Roth IRA option. You pay taxes up front, but after letting the money sit for at least 5 years, your withdrawals are tax-free. Heads up, the current yearly IRA contribution limit is $6,000, or $7,000 if you're 50 or older. Now, onto the 401k. It's like a retirement piggy bank where you stash a percentage of every paycheck. The cool part? These deposits are tax-free. You only face taxes when you decide to cash out. Many employers throw in a match-up to a certain percentage of your deposits. Imagine you put in 5% and your company matches that 5%. And boom, it's not just savings, it's a tax-free 5% bump in your paycheck. Alright, so if you have a solid retirement plan, my advice is don't put all your retirement eggs in one basket. Diversify, which leads me to the next point. 2. Invest. Now, if you're subscribed to this channel, you've probably heard me talk about investing like a million times, but now I'm talking high-yielding stocks. If you haven't already subscribed, that's your cue to do so. Warren Buffett, the Oracle of Omaha, famously said, "The stock market is designed to transfer money from the active to the patient. Patience is key. Let your money grow and weather the market storms. Before you start throwing money at stocks, do your homework thoroughly. Read up on different industries, check out company financials, and stay updated on market trends." Warren wasn't kidding when he said, "Risk comes from not knowing what you're doing." Consider the classic blue-chip stocks. Stable giants with a history of reliability. They might not skyrocket overnight, but they're like the tortoise in the race. On the flip side, growth stocks are the hares. High potential for rapid gains, but higher risk. So balance is key. Mix some stable blue chips with a sprinkle of growth potential. Investing in individual stocks, particularly those with high growth potential, can yield remarkable returns in the stock market. Take Amazon, for instance, which has grown by a staggering 212,000% since going public in 1997. A $10,000 investment in Amazon back then would now be worth $21.2 million. It's not just Amazon. Other companies like Best Buy have demonstrated similar growth, generating a total of 108,000% since 1990, translating to approximately 26.2% annually. A $10,000 investment in Best Buy in 1990 would now be valued at $10.8 million. While missing out on such opportunities may evoke regret, it's crucial to remember that there will always be the next hot stock. Every day, numerous businesses launch with the aim of disrupting industries. One strategy to invest an extra $10,000 is to allocate it across a few promising tech companies poised to revolutionize specific industries. Diversifying across multiple companies mitigates the risk of making a single wrong bet and could lead to significant returns over the long term. Now, next on the list is 3. Start your startup. As Steve Jobs said, your work is going to fill a large part of your life, and the only way to be truly satisfied is to do what you believe is great work. Starting a business allows you to chase that greatness and define success on your terms. If you have family or financial responsibilities, This path might not be suitable due to the higher risk for potential losses. However, if you're in your 20s, it could be precisely what you need, a chance to unleash your creativity, test your resilience, and potentially build something that could change your life. There's a wide sea of options. Freelancing, affiliate marketing, dropshipping, social media influence, the list is endless. When you invest, you have limited control as others make decisions about your money, and its growth depends on their efforts. But with your business, your money works by your rules. Startups also play a massive role in the economy. According to the Small Business Administration, they account for 99.9% of all U.S. businesses and employ nearly half of the private workforce. Sounds good, right? But hey, take it a step at a time. Not every business venture turns into the next Amazon. Another option could be real estate. 4. Real estate. If you've got $10,000 itching to be invested, bricks and mortar can be your ticket to financial gains. Real estate has this magical thing called appreciation. Over time, properties tend to increase in value. According to the National Association of Realtors, the median existing home price in the U.S. increased by 23.4% from 2019 to 2021. Ever dreamt of earning money while sipping a coconut on a beach? Real estate can make that dream a reality. You can use your $10,000 as a down payment on a property worth, let's say, $100,000. If the property appreciates by 5%, your return isn't just 5% on your $10,000, it's 5% on the whole $100,000 property. That's the power of leverage. Unlike in Forex, stocks, or crypto, where the broker shows you the exit door if your investment sneezes, the bank can't just kick you out because the market has collapsed. Thanks to that 30-year mortgage contract, you've got some serious staying power. Plus, your tenants can even help you foot the mortgage bills. Like Donald Trump said, it's tangible, it's solid, it's beautiful. It's artistic from my standpoint, and I just love real estate. If you still haven't subscribed even after all these insightful tips, you better hurry and subscribe now because we have more amazing content coming your way. 5. Don't be in a hurry. If you have $10,000 lying in your account, consider this. Sometimes, the best move is to play the waiting game and hold on to that cash until the perfect opportunity comes knocking. It might look like the $10,000 appeared overnight, but trust me, it won't multiply overnight. Timing is everything. Relax. It's okay to miss out on a market boom. You don't have to jump at everything. Focus on the big wins. If you're unsure, just let your money chill. If you're worried about FOMO, fear of missing out, here's a nugget from market history. According to the National Bureau of Economic Research, the average length of economic expansions in the U.S. is about 5 years. The longest, a whopping 10 years. So relax. Opportunities tend to swing by more often than you think. Remember Buffett's 2 golden money rules. Numero uno, don't lose money. Numero dos, never forget the first rule. Sometimes, you might spot what seems like a once-in-a-lifetime jackpot, like $10,000 turning you into a millionaire. But take a beat, think it over, and play it smart. That's it for today. I'm sure you know what to do with $10,000 now, but you don't need to wait till you have that kind of money. If you have $5,000, $1,000, the principles stay the same, and it works. Now we want to hear from you. Which of these principles will you be applying first? What startup are you looking to launch? Let us know in the comments section. If you enjoyed this video, you'll love this next one even more, so click here to watch.